Today I will be showing you how to use your alcohol ink on top of a sheer black polish. So first we're just taking this pink and this gold alcohol ink. You're going to use your brush and you're going to brush it on just a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. Use the gold on the outside of the colors to just accent it a little bit. Take your alcohol and acetone mixture and lightly dab to spread the alcohol ink to create the design. And just go back over them just to get to achieve the look that you want. Then take your liner brush and just create a line on top of your alcohol ink. After you've cured them, just place your matte top coat on top of your designs. I'm using the Laque matte top coat. And there you have a beautiful alcohol ink design. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.